68 contestants, 68 performances, 68 dreams still alive. But as the reality of Theatre Week hits home, dreams will be shattered.
If you forget, the crowd doesn't care.
I forgot the lyrics.
And idol journeys will come to a bitter end.
0 for teamwork. If they look bad, you look bad.
The performance itself was underwhelming.
You gave up.
It's fine.
Everyone believes they are the winner,
This is a Nigerian.
but the judges are only looking for a top 10.
Both teams saw well. They saw what they saw and
Will your favorite survive? Nigerian Idol Theatre Week begins this Sunday.
Pressure's on, and I'm gonna step up to it.